Good day and welcome back to my channel. Today's video tutorial is this 5-petal flower. In order to make this, some scrap yarn would be perfect. A crochet hook, the correct size, a pair of scissors and a darning needle. If you don't have a darning needle, a smaller crochet hook will also work. Let me just move all of that out of the way. So let's do this. You will start by making a magic ring, and you will chain 2. Well, chain 3. Into this magic ring, you're going to make 15 double crochets. When you get to the end of your row, tighten your magic ring, and you're going to slip stitch into the very first double crochet, or you are going to do this invisible stitch. The choice is yours. And you're going to work your tail away. You will make a slip stitch on your next color yarn, and you can join this to any one of the stitches and just pull the loop through. You will chain 3, and into the same space that you joined, you're going to also make 1 double crochet in there. In your next stitch, you're going to make 2 trebles. If you are uncertain about the stitch that I'm using, I have basics on my channel under a playlist called Best Beginners Basics. So you can check it up there. So you'll make 2 trebles into the next space, including at the same time, you want to try and work your tail away. So you've got a chain of 3, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, you have 2 trebles. In the following stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet, and don't forget to work your tail in. And in the following stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. Your repeat for this round is you will chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the same space. Let me just move this piece of tail to the back and quickly cut it because it seems to be getting in my way. Two trebles into the next space. Into the following space, 2 double crochets. And a slip stitch into the next stitch. You will repeat that to the end of your round. Let's do it one more time. Let's chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the same space. Here's your slip stitch, 2 trebles into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the following stitch, and a slip stitch. Repeat until you get to the very end. When you get to the end of your row, you can slip stitch into the first chain from the beginning, or you can make this type of stitch where I'm just going to slip stitch into the very first one. I much prefer this. I feel it leaves a better finish. And please work your tail in. So this is the back and this is the front. For row 3, again, you're going to make a slip stitch. And you want to join this to the very same stitch that you slip stitched into. So let's get in there. You will chain 1, but first let me just move this tail to the back, right? Chain 1, 2 single crochets in the first stitch, which is basically that chain 2. In the next stitch, 2 double crochets, wow, I forgot to work my tail away, so I'm just going back to the 2 single crochets, and I'm going to do the 2 double crochets. So I got my 2 double crochets. You're going to make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And into the third stitch, you're also going to make 2 double crochets. Two single crochets in the next stitch. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Your repeat for this round is 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. Two single crochet in the next stitch, and a slip stitch. You will repeat that until you get to the very end of your round. Let's do it again. That's 2 single crochets, 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches, two single crochets, and a slip stitch in the last stitch. Please repeat that until you get to the very end of your round. When you get to the end of your row, you can either slip stitch into the chain 1 from the beginning. Alternatively, you can make this invisible stitch. Don't forget to actually make a knot at the back and to go through a few stitches and work your tail in. This is the end result. A beautiful 5-petal flower. This is the front and this is the back. This is the purplish one and the reddish one. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tag me in a video that you make about crochet or knitting or anything that you do. But most importantly, enjoy crocheting. This is Queen Phoenix out.